Say, drawing fans, are you ready for a toothy outer space alien? Day 10, Monster 10. Let's get it on. Did you notice that this character is full of many curves, and it's based on mirror imaging? You know, symmetry. Using symmetry, balance one facial feature on the left with the mirror image on the right. Now add horns and a brain. Don't forget to clean up your drawing every once in a while and get rid of those lines with an eraser and begin his wild fluorescent hair. Remember now, color choices are on you. Choose wisely. Here I'm outlining his beard with orange, but you do whatever you want, whatever your creative spirit dictates. Forget what I said about choices. Brains have got to be green, right? They go so well with fluorescent yellow hair. Hit this alien up with a little purple oil pastel, and he's just about done. Hope this was fun for you. See you next time. Please hit the subscribe button